Hi, this is World Merit Ambassador from Nepal, Sudha Subedi. Right now I am with Mr. Hari Govinda Luitel and he is cultural activist, writer and senior journalist. I am very happy to interview him as cultural expert of our country. First of all, thank you so much sir for your time.
Thank you very much.
So, could you please tell us about your big year of your life which is very much important to you?
There are so many time and events in my life which I can give more importance. But I think one event which has given me a very good chance to be an activist in cultural sectors, it is immemorable to me and it's important to me. Uh, that was 1988 uh, when I joined a cultural society. This cultural society named Indrani Sanskritik Samaj. Literally, its meaning is the Rainbow Cultural Society. It was led by a famous writer, Parijat. She was very popular in Nepal. I got a chance to involve in that society, and from the initial time, uh, they had given me a post of general secretary, and I got that post and responsibility, and I had gone all over Nepal to launch the cultural programs in different parts. Uh, that gave me a very good opportunity to be together with the cultural peoples of Nepal. So I think that was the great event for me.
Wow, that really sounds like a big year for you. And my next question to you is, what is the importance of your discipline?
Uh, Basically, I am involving in the uh, organizing of cultural activities and analyzing the cultural themes. Uh, this is a very good job, I think, because we have to create the atmosphere in which the indigenous people, the deprived peoples, and basically youth of all societies, they should got a chance, opportunity to uh, celebrate their culture, to show their expertise, their talents. I think these type of activities are very important for our society. So I'm trying to be involved in this sector from uh, some couple of decades. From 2 decades, I'm involved in this sector.
Wow, I am really happy to know about it and that really sounds great. So sir, my final question to you is how you aim to support upcoming generation of young people and what is your message for them?
Yeah, this is a very important question. I am involving in the cultural awareness campaign and cultural activities. Uh, Side by side, I have a publication. Uh, this is basically a youth magazine for youth in Nepal. This is a popular magazine. Its name is Navayuva. Literally, its meaning is new youth. From that forum of my magazine, I am trying to give the cultural concern to youth people. I'm going to uh, give him some sort of support in creating their talent, in showing their talent, and in their artistic contributions and their cultural rights also. I am uh, always concerned and willing to share my thoughts to the youth of Nepal that they should take interest in cultural activities, in writings, in preserving their indigenous and original cultures, to improve the cultures they are enjoying. But the youth people should give most important to have the basic education and basic skills. They should give more time to get basic education and basic skill, and at the same time they should give time to the cultural activities also. If they give first priority to cultural activities, they lose the basic education and basic skill. It will harm to them. So they should make a very good balance in these two sectors.
It really is very much important and inspiring message for young people like us. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time once again, and it was great talking to you.
Yeah, thank you very much, and I wish your success in the future.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.